Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to guide you through the process of adding a manager to your Google Ads account. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the admin section by clicking on the admin icon in the dashboard. Then, select Access and Security. On the Access and Security page, you'll find the plus icon. Click on it to add a new user. However, since you want to add a manager, specifically click on Managers from the options. Here, you'll see any existing managers if there are any. To add a new manager, go back to the Users section by clicking on the plus icon again. Enter the email address of the manager you want to add. You can also set an expiration date to their access, specifying when their access should end. Below that, select the appropriate account access level. Typically, for a manager, the standard permission, also known as manager permissions, should suffice. However, depending on the role, you can adjust the permissions accordingly. Once you've selected the access level, click on Send Invitation to send the invitation to the manager's email address. Once it is accepted, the manager will appear under Managers section. And that's it, guys, as simple as that, how to add a manager to your Google Ads account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.